New inflation numbers are out from Stats Canada for the month of June this morning after seeing a sharp increase in the previous month. Hayley Woodin with Business in Vancouver is joining us now with more on these numbers. So Hayley, what are we seeing?
We're paying a little bit more for things than we were a year ago and a little bit less on a monthly basis. So the consumer price index up 3.1% June to June and down 3.6% from May 2021. We're paying more for shelter and transportation than we did a year ago and less for certain items such as fresh produce. Two areas I want to point out: gas prices up 32% over June 2020 and up 10.5% over May. That monthly increase, the result of the economy opening back up and more demand for gasoline. The second thing, Canada is known for having very expensive phone plans, but a win for consumers. We're actually paying 21% less than we did a year ago to have a cell phone.
Interesting. All right, well, we'll see how those numbers level out in the months ahead. And another story you're following today, no big surprise here, but Pfizer is raising its forecast as their sales of vaccines surge around the world.
That's right. It expects that sales will have increased 29% above its earlier forecast for an annual total of vaccine sales at $33.5 billion. That is significantly above what its competitors, Johnson & Johnson and Moderna, expect to do. J&J looking at $2.5 billion in sales for comparison's sake, and Moderna looking at around $19 billion. Now, Pfizer has signed deals to provide 2.1 billion doses of its vaccine. It says since December 2020, it has already delivered about a billion of those doses, and its outlook could very well change again if it signs additional deals, and also keeping in mind two drug companies looking at developing vaccines that might better address some of the COVID variants that are out there.
Got it. All right, Hayley Woodin with Business in Vancouver on this Wednesday. Thanks, Hayley.
Thanks, Sonia.